produced on a whole day in any town, and waste management systems are needed to be organized in view of development. At present, three main kinds of waste management methods are widely used, including sanitation, landfilling, incineration, and composting. With sanitation landfilling, that the waste will be piled on sewage-proof surface and pliers and be composted on soil. This method is easy to handle and used worldwide. However, landfilling occupies most areas of land resources and is not ideal. Starting from the year 2005, landfilling is used as an only resource. Landfilling is done in Chungshao plant all the year. All wastes are processed here. They include incineration waste processing, volume reduction, harnessing, and resource optimization. This process helps waste management and electricity production. About 80% of the 90% of volume of waste can be reduced after the incineration process. Such types of waste management methods are used in Europe and Japan. Composting is a process mixing sodium fiber organic materials and others and fermenting materials into humid materials. Guangzhou plant, China is the first waste management plant established in the Yongxi village of the Taihai town at the Guangzhou district. Through heavy traffic, you have to travel about 25 kilometers and can reach downtown center. 1,000 tons of waste is to be processed in this plant. This plant was established by the Guangzhou Municipality government with incineration and composting standards adapted worldwide. 1,040 tons of household waste is processed here per day. The plant is one of its kind which adapts the processing method through sub-high pressure parameter. It is 20% higher than the other plants which have adapted pressure process. The total investment of the recomposed plant is 725 million RMB million. It covers an area of 1,18,000 square meters and is limited for phase 1. Land resource is to be used as administration area and construction of phase 2 is the result. The process of waste energy plant consists of reception system, boiler and auxiliary equipment, turbine generator system, flue gas treatment system, ash and slag treatment system, wastewater management system, auxiliary fuel oil treatment system, and atmospheric control system. Waste is transferred to the plant through the crux forge trucks and measured on the weighing bridge. Then, waste will be transferred to the refuse reception area and being dumped into the refuse bunkers. Plenty of waste would be shredded in small pieces by the crusher before being brought into the incinerator. The refuse bunker is sealed valiant of negative pressure inside to avoid spreading of waters. The volume of the refuse bunkers is 8,000 tons and can allow 5 to 7 days storage capability. 2 large refuse cranes are stalled in the bunker. They will stock the waste into the hopper to the crab and the waste will be incinerated to be burnt. Combustion of waste generates high temperature flames and may enter the boiler. The temperature within the bunker of the burning area is around 850 combustion running 2 sections. The D-lock system fixed in the boiler effectively reduces the maximum temperature of the fumes. Warmer power generated by high heat fumes can be transformed into superheated steam, and it enters the turbine generator to generate power by 100% at the power sewage systems to heat the waste treatment process, working with a firm load even when the turbine generator is at work. Flue gas coming from the boiler enters the semi-drained reactor in which incinerary is sprayed with acid gas containing Ca, C12, CaF2 in the spill. Gas-activated carbon power will be sprayed to observe the heavy metals in a PCDDF in a flue gas. Dust in flue gas will be absorbed by the dislodging. After 4 processes of dryer ignition incineration and Phil's incineration on a grade, 2 tons of bottom ash is generated per day. For safety design, bottom ash regularization is twice the regular size. Flow vibration conveyors are installed respectively. A vibration springer and preview conveyor are fixed in the firm part conveyor. Bottom ash conveyor is fixed to the ash bunker through the ash execrator, vibrates conveyor vibration, springer and the 3-way conveyor. Scrap iron is separated by a magnetic built inset dedicated bunker. They can be used as construction materials. Strapped iron inside can be recycled and ash collected in the bouldering can further be collected in the flue ash hopper. First, they convey in the resultant bunker to the conveyance system. Flue ash resulted in Ca2112 power fills gas in the construction system is also conveyed into resultant bunker through the conveyor. Fly ash aided with heavy metal is aided with cement and coupling dressing by a mentum. Fuel gas will be treated in the fuel gas system before discharging, which generates the effluent discharging system, which is strictly made in standard in accordance with national and European standards. An international advanced automatic control system is adapted to monitor incineration process. The APEX system is composed by DCS and PLC system which optimizes each treatment and guarantees the whole operation in a safe, reliable, economic and efficient way. Meanwhile, the system is capable of supervising with the advent of latest technology. Here, the devices would offer safety, sanitation, and a protective working environment. In the near future, 2,000-ton energy plants are going to be built and wastages will be treated by new incinerators, which aims to reach the goal in waste management and the way to give resource optimization. Guangzhou Energy Environmental Management System.